This is Scott Becker with the Becker Business and the Becker Private Equity Podcast. We try to bring you 1 to 3 short episodes a day, plus typically an interview with a brilliant business leader. Today's discussion is Alphabet, Google remains on fire. And here's the question that's being asked. Is Alphabet still a great investment? And here's some of the stats on it. Alphabet's up about 70% in the last 6 months. And this compares to Apple, which is up about 15% in the last 6 months. The NASDAQ up about 20% in the last 6 months. And the thought is on Alphabet, Google, here are the things that are going really well. In the third quarter, its revenues were up 16% plus. So continuous great growth in revenues. And that's a lot quicker than the revenue growth you're seeing at Apple, which is also being priced like a growth stock at 33 times earnings, but not growing at the pace that Alphabet Google's growing at. Second, Google's cloud business is also growing tremendously well. So that's another real positive in terms of Google, Alphabet, and investing in Alphabet Google. Finally, fourth, we're waiting for the fourth quarter revenues to be reported, and those are coming out around the early February. It's supposed to be February 4th, so we'll see how that goes. But again, the question right now is, Alphabet's still a great growth stock. We've put some money in the last 6 months to a year into Alphabet directly. Mostly my holdings in Alphabet are through the index funds. But again, we'll see how it goes. Thank you for listening to the Becker Business, the Becker Private Equity Podcast. And let's hope now that we put some money into it, that Alphabet remains on fire. Thank you so much for listening to the Becker Business and the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Thank you.